GM and welcome to a new video. This is the start of Magic Eden Season 2. You can see the video here in the background, which they did to announce the Season 2. And there's also been a nice airdrop for the stakers and traders on Magic Eden because Season 1 ended. There was a lot of happy people, but also some very disappointed. Yeah, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to check your allocation for Season 1 and what to expect and what to do for Season 2 of the Magic Eden airdrop. First of all, the easiest thing first, the Magic Eden allocation for Season 1 has been airdropped. So you just need to check your wallet and you should see some ME tokens in there if you staked, if you traded. And let me know if you did receive some, if you're happy with it or not. And I got two examples of someone being happy, someone being very disappointed. First of all, someone very disappointed. They posted staked 1,700 ME for 4 years, price tanked 80 to 90%, got a $12 airdrop in return, biggest L of my life. Okay, so that sucked. Probably they, as the first comment said, they just need to hit the minimum of quests and they didn't trade or do anything on Magic Eden at all, which was communicated that you need at least to be a little bit active on Magic Eden to qualify for a good airdrop. And then there's another example, everyone bitching about the ME airdrop. I staked 1 ME for 4 years. Sometimes it's better to just underinvest rather than overport. And they got, as you can see here, 585 ME tokens airdropped. This one was probably a trader, and yeah, there's happy people, there's disappointed people. I logged 25 ME for 4 years and I got 37 ME in return. I didn't trade too much on Magic Eden, just used it basically for Ape Chain. The volume wasn't that high as well, so I'm completely happy with that. And let me know how much you got, if you're happy with it or not. Now let's take a look at what you need to do to qualify for the Season 2 airdrop. While we're working through Season 1 feedback, we want to make Magic Eden Season 2 updates clear for everyone live through mid-August. So this one is taking roughly 4 months as well. Rewards based on leaderboard rank, visual progress tracking earned from NFTs, swaps and runes, lucky buy soon. You may need to relink your wallet, and there's some explainers here. As you can see here, you can see the rewards dashboard and you can see where you are. One thing that you definitely need to do is you need to relink your wallet, because the wallet linking is now back on Magic Eden and not with the Magic Eden Foundation. Check and relink all mobile and web wallets here, and you can click on this link. As always, all the links are down in the description. While you're down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, that helps me a lot. And you can see here which ones are linked. There's also an extensive thread about this here. As I said, all the links are down in the description. You can go through this in detail. I don't want to bore you with all the details here. Link all wallets to get the most rewards. You will always earn more rewards by linking. After you relink, check out the stats and wallets tab to see your total ME staked and staking power, plus a breakdown of stats per wallet. And this is the interesting part for you now. How to maximize your ME rewards. Your trading rewards are based on your leaderboard rank, calculated from trading volume and staking power. The more you trade and higher your SP, the more rewards you get. Simple. You can trade one or all activities to climb the leaderboard. Let's max this one out. Here you can see the leaderboard rank, where you are here, swap tokens in the top 100. And you can click on all of that in detail to see more of your personal stats. What can you do to earn rewards? Trade NFTs, swap tokens, trade runes. Lucky buy is coming soon. Let's show more. You will see your overall rank and rank by activity. If you want to earn rewards, you must stake ME. Your staking power is ME staked x the staked time duration. So The maximum is for years. You can do this. I showed this in one of the last Magic Eden videos, how to stake. If you don't have, you can use the swap function from Magic Eden to climb even higher in the leaderboard because you use the swap function. The rewards are based on the staking power during time of trade. So if you had, for example, a lot of ME tokens staked and then do a trade here, then this is worth more than just doing a trade and afterwards staking. Just be aware of that. If I'm unstaked, do I still earn rewards? No staking, no rewards. What if my SP grew? Does that apply to older trades? SP cannot be applied retroactively. So that's basically what I just said. Because of all the feedback from season 1, they simplified the rewards distribution. They will be based simply on the leaderboard rank, a formula with both trading volume and staking power. So they combine this basically. There's also some FAQs down here. As I said, I will put the link to this extensive thread here down in the description. I don't want to go into too much details, but basically, to sum it up, you earn experience points from doing everything on Magic Eden that you can do, the swaps, the NFT trades, the rune trades. There's also lucky buys coming soon. You need to relink all your wallets, and you're only gaining experience points in season 2 if you have staked at least 1 ME. And the more you stake, the higher your staking power, the more experience points you get, the higher you rank in the leaderboard, and the higher your allocation will be in the season 2 airdrop. That's it. I hope that gave you a good overview of what season 2 with Magic Eden will look like. Let me know, as I said in the beginning, how much you got for season 1, if you're planning to take part in season 2 of Magic Eden, or if you're concentrating on OpenSea, for example, who have their season 1 going on right now. I already did a video on this. I will link this here in the end. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and then see you in the next video.